Hello everyone, welcome to TGIF. Today we are going to get deep into the M365 Copilot extensibility. I am pretty sure that M365 Copilot is, and we know how it is helping on the ground every single professional to do the job better. Let me invite Pallavi Lokesh, who is a technical architect at Microsoft Technology Center, India. Hi Pallavi, welcome to TGIF. Pallavi, you and me are quite aware about how M365 Copilot users are using on the field, and that's something which is saving a lot of time for the every single task that we are doing. With respect to M365 Copilot extensibility, could you help us understand what exactly M365 Copilot extensibility is?
Yes. M365 Copilot extensibility, when we talk about, you can think of it as a developer platform.
Okay.
Where we are extending, enriching, and customizing our M365 Copilot with the skills and knowledge from an enterprise organizational data, enterprise data. It could be third-party application, it could be line of business applications, where you're bringing in those information into the flow of work. So there are two ways of extending the Copilot, M365 Copilot. One is by augmenting Copilot with skills through plugins and also enriching from the knowledge that flows from the the graph connector that we have.
Got it.
Yes.
I think you said extensibility. Definitely, that's the primary principle of leveraging the M365 Copilot and making the features advanced on top of that.
When you want to have full control on the features and the design and the functionality that you want to bring in a Copilot, which is specifically working for a domain expertise. In that case, you would want to build a Copilot from the scratch, and there's a lot of effort that goes in because you're building it from the scratch. When we talk about extensibility, it is something that you want to leverage an existing infrastructure. You want to leverage some of the existing solutions that are already there, and the enterprise data that is already available for you. And those information is something that you would want to bring into M365 Copilot chat in the flow of work, and that is something that I will show in the demo as well, so that you'll be able to visualize the experience.
So it means that leveraging your existing infrastructure, investment, and the data sources on top of your M365 Copilot, what it has been provided.
That's right.
Okay, great. I think now coming to the experience part, I would be very happy to see how we can determine which are those services that we can leverage for the M365 Copilot. Extensibility options which are there.
Let me just show you the demo.
Sure.
Probably that would relate and connect to all that we are speaking right now. So now you can see that we are in Teams Copilot, which is my work buddy. So all I am asking is, what are the Contoso website change management procedures? And you can see that there are, citations that are shared, which is around the 5 steps procedures that are shared with me. And the first one that you can see is coming actually from the Confluence, which is outside of the M365 data estate, and it is referring that information and it is sharing it to me. The first and second point is from that, whereas the third, fourth, and fifth is actually coming in from the email communication. So you can see how it has presented a summarized information for me, and this is an example of the graph connector. So it's able to get information which can work on it can work on the unstructured data and bring in information that we are looking for, and it would very organically do it without a user needs to understand that. The next one that I want to show is the Jira. So now with all the procedures that I have, I would like to invoke the Jira application right from within the chat experience, and I'm asking to create a ticket outlining all of to track the the activities that we would like to do before the maintenance due dates. So when I create a ticket, you can see most of the information that I need to create a ticket is automatically populated. It is taking that information from the email. All I need to do is I just have to go to assign and assign the name, assign the person, the resource that I would like to assign the ticket to, and it's now beautifully also presenting it back as a summary on the updated ticket that has been created, and I can choose to comment, edit right from within Teams itself. Going forward, now what I would like to show is how it connects to the enterprise application as well. So I want to find the Contoso logo from CS Asset application that is available within the organization, which is developed for the organization, and you can see that it is presenting me the logo file, the link to the image that is available. All I need to do is update the Jira ticket with the above Contoso logo for reference, and you can see it is so conversational. I don't really have to take multiple steps. I don't have to go across to do that. It now triggers the the ticket that was created, automatically includes the link that was presented to me as the logo of the and it's all updated.
Right.
So this is an example of how where I would have had multiple touch points. I'm getting all that done in just one place, which is Copilot chat, and it cuts across the change management solution, the change management procedure, which is available in email, Confluence. It's then going to Jira, which is tying back all of these activities in just one place.
Yeah, I think this is amazing, Pallavi. So what I'm feeling like is this is the answer to everybody's question when it comes to how I can customize my own Copilot or extend my own Copilot. So M365 Copilot extensibility feature is something that you can always leverage to build on top of your M365 Copilot. Thank you so much, Pallavi. Pleasure hosting